Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is Amy from With Love by Amy, and this is day 19 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar, and my daughter's going to help me open this one up. Okay, so look, it's day number 19. Oh. Let's find number 19. Can you help me find it? Where's one? They're not in order. Two. Where's 19? Is it on this page?
1, 2.
Here's 19 right here. Let's hold on.
I'll open 19.
Okay. All right, you want to open 19? Can you do it? You gotta poke this down.
Oh, can I open?
Sure you can. Pull it up, sweetie. You gotta pull this part up. Here, like this.
Okay.
There you go. Now you can do it. Good job. Pull it up really hard. Good job. What does the picture say? It says, "Thank you for the lovely gift. You made my day for all you do." All right, pull that part back too.
What does the obvious thing?
Pull that back. What is it? Pull it back. What is it? It's a stamp set. Yay! Can you pull it out of there?
What's in here?
Can you pull this out of here? Can you pull this out of here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, let's see if we can get it out. There you go. Grab it. Good job.
Open it.
Okay.
What does everything
Here we go.
Everything says in the things?
This says, "Thank you for the lovely gift. You made my day." And then it says, "For all you do." Okay?
What does
All right. Thank you guys for sticking that out where Reagan opened up day 19 of the Crafty Advent Calendar. She loves to be able to help. And today was the first day of their winter break. I am a day behind on this calendar. So Wednesday the 20th is their first day of winter break. And so she's super excited to be able to help with, you know, my projects and stuff. So what I decided to do was I was going to use these sentiments on the card from day 18 because I hadn't picked a sentiment for them. And, you know, a thank you card is always a good card to have. So I stamped out all the sentiments from the stamp set because I wasn't sure which one I wanted to do and how I wanted to do it. And then I took this textured black cardstock and I cut it into a banner end too. And these, all the sentiments, I cut them out with the banner die from a few days ago. I don't remember what day that was from, but you know, whatever. It was from this advent calendar. And they fit perfectly into that banner die, so that was awesome. And then I'm just going to cut this strip of cardstock out to mat them. And then we will decide which sentiments we want to use because I wasn't sure. Obviously, I'm going to use the thank you, but I wasn't sure which one I was going to use other than the thank you. So we are going to mat that one on the black cardstock and glue it all together. And I am working in my Misty, so I'm just using the Misty magnets to hold those together while they dry really quick. And we're going to do the other sentiment. So at first I thought I was going to do them like that, and I didn't like that. So I'm going to just put the thank you sentiment on the front. And I very seldom put a sentiment on the inside of the card. But today I'm going to do that because I just thought it was cool and just a way to tie in the outside of the card to the inside of the card. And now the card is complete. Here's our 5 seconds of Sonic. He's being a lazy cat as per usual. He doesn't want to interact with me. All right, so here's the finished card. Let me know in the comments below what you would do with this sentiment set. How would you use it? I really appreciate it when you guys like and subscribe and leave comments. That really helps me out. And I enjoy interacting with you. So thank you so much for everyone that interacts with my videos. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to come back tomorrow and see what else we got going on. Or maybe I will be awesome and get the 20th posted tonight too. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.